Welcome back. What? It's hot. It's so hot. It's like August now in summer, and what? I'm so hot. I'm so hot. Superlatives. Okay, we're going to be speaking about superlatives. What are superlatives? They're super from superlatives. Okay, we've been doing comparatives and superlatives. Superlatives are lo máximo. Super. Okay, we've got two types. One syllable and two or more. Exactly the same as the comparatives. We've got one syllable or two or more syllables. Okay? Here we go with the one syllable. Big, tall, small. What do we do when there's one syllable? We add est to the end of it. Apart from big, two G's and we add est. Okay? est for one syllable. We add est on the end. We add est. Two or more syllables. Beautiful. Intelligent. Or interesting. Yeah, interesting. When it's beautiful or interesting, we put the most, which comes before. Most interesting. Or most beautiful. In a sentence, let's see how it would look in a sentence, in a positive sentence. I am the tallest. Okay, so you're not comparing here, so we don't have to put than, we don't have to put anything, it's just the, and then the superlative, lo máximo, the tallest. You're just saying it's the tallest. Or the most beautiful. I am the most... No, I'm joking. Interesting. The most interesting. It's that easy. And in the negative, I am not the tallest. It is so simple. I hope you understand the superlatives as they are very super. I hope you understand the superlatives. Let's practice. Welcome back with the superlatives. I am the old in my class. Old, one syllable. Oldest. Oliver is the good teacher. Good, it's an irregular one. Best. Oliver is the best teacher. The best. And she is the beautiful. The beautiful. Beautiful. More than one syllable. Most beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the class. Like, subscribe. See you next time.